The old Las Colinas was magical. The perfect place to work, fall in love, and to find lifelong friends. If we return the resort to its former glory, will the magic come rushing back?
You want me to answer that? That's a lot of pressure to put on a 14-year-old.
14? I'm gonna need to see your passport.
Come on, Tio. Get to the real story.
All right. It was 1986. And it had been 3 weeks since I had been promoted to head of operations.
There he is, the H.O., the Ho. And as his assistant, that makes me the A-Ho.
Máximo, I'm glad you're here. Las Colinas was knocked off the top spot on the best hotels in Acapulco.
Alma del Mar is #1?
We need to go there and figure out how this hotel took the #1 spot.
Wait, what is he doing here? Máximo, is there something I can help you with?
What a twist!
I know. Don Pablo retired. Why would he do this?
The same reason that makes the earth go round.
Love?
The wind?
Dinero.
Robert De Niro?
Money! We have to reclaim our #1 status. If we fail in this, I'm turning the resort into timeshares.
We're in a free fall that could cost everyone their jobs.
Focus.
Rebuilding a reputation is almost impossible. But you'd be surprised what you're capable of when your back is against the wall.
Who's ready to start?
¿Cómo se dice yes?
Here, we lift each other up when we're down. We stick to what we believe in. We always bring joy to what we do.
Las Colinas isn't just any resort. It's a family. We never needed a railing in the 80s, and it was never an issue.
Memito, ¿estoy bien?
Stupid cell phones.
Oh,